Hello great people, for our quick fruit cupcake recipe, we're just going to be using 175 grams of flour. I've already sieved that. Then we have our sugar here, 150 grams of sugar. Then we have butter here, 130 grams of butter. Then we have the fruits, that's 100 grams to about 3 cups of raisins, or call it mixed fruits. Then I have some spices here: nutmeg 1 teaspoon, cinnamon also 1 teaspoon, ginger powder, that's just normal ginger powder. That's it right here, it's half teaspoon. Okay, here I have black treacle and brownie. If you don't have brownie, don't worry, leave it out, but it's best you use brown sugar instead of white sugar if you don't have brownie. So use brown sugar instead of white sugar, or just do your burnt sugar caramel, but I'll be using this. So this is treacle here, black treacle is here, and brownie, you can use your golden syrup also. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I have this lemon zest. I've already grated out the zest, and here it is. So this is about 1 teaspoon or thereabout, grated zest. So I have my flavorings here. You can use any kind of flavoring that is fruity, like exotic and all the rest, but you can also combine like pineapple, banana, and vanilla. That's what I have here, and this is just 1 teaspoon altogether. I have 2 whole eggs here. Okay, let's get to it. All right, we'll start by creaming our butter and sugar. I'm using margarine, not butter. It's best if you have butter, yes, use butter, and if you have brown sugar, it's best to use brown sugar. Okay, looking at this stage now, this is the stage you want your butter and sugar to be light and fluffy. It doesn't mean you have to cream for a long time, as that can melt your butter. So you need to just cream for a reasonable time too. All right, so at this stage then we'll start putting your egg one at a time. Remember to constantly scrape down the side of your bowl when you are mixing. Always scrape the side of your bowl. Okay, so at this stage you want to start incorporating the flour. And yes, you need to alternate that with the liquid we have. So before we continue, I'll mix all the spices into the flour, then the baking powder, that's just 1 teaspoon, mix into the flour, then your zest, mix into the flour. Give that a quick stir. Okay, so you start mixing that here. Then this method is where you fold in your ingredients and cut, fold and cut, fold and cut. Okay, at this stage we can now pour in our fruits or raisins, your flavoring, that's just 1 teaspoon, and your caramel. All ready. The rest of your flour. Now we are done. We portion this in the cupcakes and bake them. Give me the. Alright, so portion this.